In this lesson, we are going to dive into the practical aspects of using Microsoft Word by creating and editing documents. Whether you are starting from scratch or working with an existing document, Word provides all the tools you need to bring your ideas to life. So, to create a new document, simply click on the File tab in the top left corner of the screen. Then select New from the menu. You'll be presented with various options such as creating a blank document, choosing from a template, or opening a recent document. Choose the option that best suits for your needs, and a new document will be created for you to start working on. I will double-click on Blank Document, and my document will be automatically created. If you already have a document that you'd like to work on, you can open it by clicking on the File tab, then selecting Open from the menu. Browse to the location of your document, select it and click Open. This location can be situated in your computer or in some of your folders. Good. Your document will open in a new window, ready for you to make changes. Once you have your document open, you can start typing text right away. Let's type about the weather. For typing this text, simply click anywhere in the document and begin typing. If you make a mistake, don't worry. Word has built-in editing tools to help you correct errors quickly and easily. You can use the Backspace key to delete text, or use the arrow keys to navigate through your document. The Backspace key is situated in the second row of your keyboard, and arrows up here, I marked them red. So I have typed a text up here, and now I continue typing the beauty of nature. And have you noticed what happened? As you type, you'll notice that Word automatically wraps your text to the next line when you reach the end of the line. This is called WordWrapping, and it allows you to focus on your content without worrying about formatting. When you are finished typing, it's a good idea to save your document to ensure that you don't lose any work. To do this, click on the File tab, then select Save from the menu. Choose a location on your computer to save your document, give it a descriptive name and click Save. Congratulations! You've now learned how to create and edit documents in Microsoft Word. In the next lesson, we'll explore how to format text to make your documents more visually appealing and professional. Bye-bye!